Part 1. The right to demand the physical presence of the accused in the court is known as the writ of blank. A. Mandamus, B. Habeas data, C. Amparo, D. Habeas corpus. Physical presence of the accused. Letter D. Habeas corpus. Again, letter D. Habeas corpus. Number 2. The educated Filipinos who led the reform movement during the Spanish colonial region were called blank. A. Insulares, B. Ilustrados, C. Peninsulares, B. Indios. Educated Filipinos, Spanish colonial region. Letter B. Ilustrados. Again, letter B. Ilustrados. Number 3. Rizal's literary genius was manifested in various literary types such as elegy as exemplified in blank. A. Mi primera inspiración, B. Mi ultimi adios, C. La juventud filipina, D. Al trabajo. Elegy. Letter B. Mi ultimi adios. Again, letter B. Mi ultimi adios. Number 4. Jose Rizal's essay and Marcelo H. del Pilar's various writings were published in a propaganda newspaper blank. A. La Solidaridad, B. La Patria, C. La Philocracia, D. La Independencia. Propaganda newspaper. Letter A. La Solidaridad. Again, letter A. La Solidaridad. Number 5. Maghapon at magdamag na nagbasa ng aklat at lathalain si Ginang Lana. Ang panaguli sa pag-uusap ay blank. A. Magdamag, B. Maghapon, C. Ginang Lana, D. Nagbasa. Panaguri. Si Ginang Lana ay letter D. Nagbasa. Again, letter D. Nagbasa.